Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this lovely palazzo pants. I've asked you guys to tell me what you guys want me to make next, and a lot of you guys told me to make a palazzo pants, so that's why I'm making a palazzo pants. But before we start this tutorial, I want to tell you guys about an app that I just discovered, and I'm so thankful that this app is actually sponsoring this video. So I'm talking about Uptiiq. Uptiiq is an app that helps you share your videos all over your social media account. So basically I'm going to show you quickly how the app looks like and how you can upload your own video to the app and how it then shares them into your social media account.
Okay guys, so this is the app here. I'm going to click the app like this and upload the video that I want to upload. I'm going to say use video, and then I'm going to choose Facebook because it's a preview of the tutorial that I'm going to upload tomorrow, and I only want to show it on Facebook. So I'm going to click Facebook, and then I'm going to change my watermark, which is already here. And then when you go down, you can also select what position you want your where you want to place the watermark. I'm going to press done, and then I'm going to write here what the video is about, and when I'm done, I'm basically just going to press post, and then it's going to post the video to Facebook, and it's also going to optimize the quality of the video according to the setting of Facebook. And that's what I really love about this app. So yeah, that's how easy it is to use the app.
The watermark feature is just like it's for me, that's the thing that I love most about the app right now, that I can able to put my own watermark in my videos and, you know, just give my video my own identity. So yeah, that's it basically. If you're interested, go check the link below. That is it. Let's get on with the tutorial. For this tutorial, we're using the same fabric we used for our last sewing tutorial. I still have about almost 2 yards left, so I'm using that. You're going to need at least 2 yards to make this pants. You're going to need some pattern paper. You're going to need marker, 2 scissors, your fabric scissors, and your paper scissors. You're going to need your pins, and you're going to need your sewing machine, and of course a matching thread for the fabric. So those are all the items you need to make this tutorial. I already went ahead and placed my legging in place, and obviously this is a legging and it's super skinny, so and this legging is also super stretchy, so we need to like do some measurements. So you need the measurement of your waist and the measurement of your thigh, so basically the highest point of your leg, so up against your crotch area. You're going to measure that, we're going to measure around that, and you're going to divide that number by 2, and mine is 13 inches, which I've already marked here. And this is basically the measurement of my waist divided by 4, and that's what I mark here. So basically I'm going to connect those marks together, and I'm using this because it just gives it like a proper, like a nicer circle. So now you have a nice curve, and from there on you just want to draw a straight line down. Mind you, we're going for like the wide leg palazzo pants, so you don't need to go like, don't need to make it skinny. We want to make it all the way straight. So I'm just going to draw a straight line from there all the way down. All your pieces, this is the pieces you should have. This is the pant piece, and I have 4 pieces of this. I also have a piece for my waistband. So this is basically the measurement of my waist plus 2 inches seam allowance. And I also went ahead and cut out pieces for my pocket. So I'm going to go ahead and sew my pockets in place. I have a specific video where I explain how to install a pocket into any items. I'm going to link that tutorial below, so that's why I'm not going to be showing you guys how to do it in this tutorial, because I already like made a video about it. So I'm going to link that in the description bar. I'm going to go attach the pocket and I'll come back to show you guys the next step. I went ahead and sew the pocket in place. So this is a pocket, and the next step is you're going to sew the pants close. So you're going to start from the bottom part of the crotch and you're going to sew it all the way down, and you're going to repeat the same step for the other legs. The next step is we're going to determine the opening we're going to leave for the zipper, and I totally forgot in the beginning, you're going to need a zipper for this pants. So sorry. So I already went ahead and prepared my waistband. So I placed my waistband on top of my pants like this. This is one leg, by the way, because I haven't attached both legs yet. So now I'm going to place my zipper right there up till there, and I'm going to put a pin here like that, and that's going to give me like an idea of where to stop while I'm sewing the two pieces crushed together. And you can go ahead and measure it, and then you're going to do the same for the other part as well. So that means I need to stop. The opening for me is 4.5 inch. Sew the legs together. So you're going to take, one is on the wrong side and one is on the right side. You're going to put the one on the right side inside the one on the wrong side, like so. And you're just going to go ahead and match the crushes, and you're going to start pinning. This is what you should have. You're going to go ahead and sew it all the way around, leaving this piece open for the zipper, if that makes sense. I'm going to go do that and I'll come back to show you guys the next step. I already went ahead and sew the crush, and this is the opening I told you guys to leave for the zipper. So right now you can go ahead and attach your waistband in place. So you're just going to take your waistband, right sides together, pin it like this, and you're just going to pin it all the way around. And after you pin it all the way around, you want to go ahead and sew it in place. So, this is the zipper. I already went ahead and pinned one side in place. We've done this several times. I also have a specific video on zippers, which I'm going to link below, so you can go check that out. That's why I'm not like showing you everything. I already made the videos for those. So basically, I just put my zipper in place like this, and I'm just going to fold it 1/2 inch. Remember, we add 1 inch, and that's 1/2 inch on both sides, and we're just going to fold that as we go. It's really that simple, guys. It's not that difficult. So this is what you should have, like so, and then you're just gonna go ahead and sew it all the way to there. I'm gonna go to that, and I'll come back to show you guys the next step. This is the zipper. It's already sewn. So this is what you should have after sewing. So now we're going to finish the waistband. So basically, you're going to flip the waistband in like so, and you're going to go from the inside like this, and you're going to fold it in like this, fold it all the way there. You're going to place it like this, and you just want to go ahead and pin the waistband all around like so. Put that in. You're gonna pin it here. Okay, so you see I've went ahead and pinned the waistband, and I'm just gonna go ahead now and sew it all the way around to close the waistband. Waistband is finished. This is it from the inside, this is from the outside, this is it at the back. So right now the final step is we're going to hem the bottom part of the pants, and our palazzo pants is done, guys. I just tried it on and it looks so good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold it once. So just once, I'm folding it 1 inch in, and I'm just going to sew that all the way around to hem the pants. I think I'm gonna go iron it so I can get like a precise fold. But so yes, that's it. I'm gonna go do that and I'll come back to show you guys the finished look.